Step into the 2018 GMC Terrain. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call